What you allow shapes what you see. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Matthew chapter 5 verse 8. See, have you ever noticed that when a window becomes dirty, the world outside looking starts looking distorted? See, the problem is not the world outside, but the problem is the condition of the glass. Spiritually, the same thing happens to us. Jesus said, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God." You see, friends, I want you to notice that spiritual vision is connected to purity, because what fills the heart eventually shapes the eyes. When purity declines, vision becomes distorted, and suddenly wrong starts looking right. Compromise feels normal, conviction becomes weaker, and sin no longer appears dangerous. That's exactly what happened to Samson. You see, before he lost his physical eyesight, he first lost spiritual discernment. And David, before falling into sin with Bathsheba, slowly stopped guarding his heart. See, sin always blinds before it destroys. But here's the good news. You see, Jesus did not come only to forgive sinners, he came to restore spiritual sight. 1 John 1:9 says, "If we confess our sins, he is faithful and just to forgive us and to cleanse us." You see, friends, the question is, why cleansing? The reason why is because cleansing restores clarity. A pure heart sees God differently. It sees people differently. It sees truth differently. And maybe today, the question is not, why can't I see God clearly? Maybe the deeper question is, what has happened? What has been clouding my spiritual vision? Because whatever you constantly behold, you slowly become. So today, ask God not only for forgiveness, but for purity, because a compromised heart distorts vision, but a surrendered heart sees God clearly.